This video, we will see the product review of boAt Rockerz 550, which is budget-friendly Bluetooth headphones. The boAt Rockerz 550 are budget-friendly over-ear Bluetooth headphones. It is designed for comfort and powerful sound. These headphones are wireless but can be used with an aux cable, making them flexible for different situations. This headphone comes with big drivers that give you strong bass and clear sound, making them great for music, movies, and casual listening. If you want to buy this headphone, see the link in this video description. Design and comfort. Over-ear design. This headphone has over-ear design which ensures ear cups fully cover your ears for better sound isolation and comfort. Cushion comfort. This headphone has cushioned ear cups and adjustable headband for a comfortable fit. Lightweight build. This headphone made with lightweight materials for portability. Sound quality. Powerful sound. This headphone equipped with 50 dynamic drivers for deep bass and clear sound. Driver size is 50 and it is dynamic drivers for powerful bass and sound clarity. Customer feedback. The bass heavy sound is hit among customers who enjoy punchy music. Connectivity features. This headphone support Bluetooth 5.0, which ensures a stable connection up to 10 meters. This headphone has aux support, can be used with 3.5 cable if battery runs out. Dual connectivity. Both wireless and wired options are available in this headphone. Battery life. Long lasting power. Battery life is up to 20 hours of playback on a full charge. Charging time is around 2.5 hours. Many customers appreciate the long battery life, which lasts up to 20 hours. Additional features. This headphone has a built-in microphone. You can take calls without needing to take off the headphones. Easy controls. This headphone has physical buttons for adjusting volume, controlling music, and calls. This headphone has a lightweight design. Weight is 245 grams. When you unbox, what is in the box? boAt Rockerz 550 headphone, a micro USB charging cable, and aux cable for wired listening, warranty card, and user manual. Technical specifications. Bluetooth version is 5.0, driver size is 50 and it is dynamic drivers. Battery life is up to 20 hours. Charging port is micro USB. Microphone is built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Now we will see advantages of this headphone. This headphone is very budget friendly compared to other Bluetooth headphones. This headphone support 20 hours of playback and it is great for long trips. This headphone has over-ear design with soft cushions, which makes it comfortable for extended use. This headphone has good sound quality. 50 drivers deliver good bass and clear sound. This headphone has a wired option, can be used with aux cable if the battery is low. This headphone support dual connectivity. Both wireless and wired options are available. Now we will see the limitations of this headphone. Charging port uses micro USB instead of more modern USB-C. This headphone does not have active noise cancellation. So this headphone lacks noise cancellation. So background noise can be an issue. This headphone has a plastic design and might not be very durable in the long term. This headphone has a bulky design. Some users may find the over-ear design is bulky, especially for travel. In India, the price of the headphone is 1499 to 1999 rupees. In US, the price of this headphone is $18 to $24. Now we will see the customer feedback. Great battery life. Many customers appreciate the long battery life, which lasts for up to 20 hours. Comfort. Users find the cushioned ear cups comfortable, even for long listening sessions. Sound quality. The bass heavy sound is hit among customers who enjoy punchy music. Value for money. Many customers highlight how the headphones offer good features for an affordable price. Stable Bluetooth connection. Users mention that Bluetooth 5.0 connection is stable without drops. Now we will see the conclusion. The boAt Rockerz 550 headphones are an excellent choice if you are looking for budget-friendly wireless headphones with good sound quality and comfort. These headphones are best for casual listening, and this headphone comes with strong battery life. But this headphone lack advanced features like noise cancellation and USB-C charging. Overall, this headphone provide great value for their price.